You want to send money from your Binance to another Binance user and you don't know how to do it? Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how I do it. So watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I post a new tip, a new video, you should always get notified. Welcome on my channel. My name is Clifford Mlawuzi. Let's get started. By the way, I'm pretty sure you already have the Binance app. If you don't have, please get it from Apple Store or Play Store. Apple Store or Play Store. Anyway, make sure you're verified. Let's get started. So, this is my mobile device. I'm recording. What you're gonna do is come here and make sure that you have renamed. There is your name right there. So my name is FX Blackchild. I love it. So every Binance user has got an ID, a code, an address, and this code is just a combination of few numbers. Mostly, I don't know, but this is my ID and that's my ID. I can send this ID to anybody else. They can send me money through this ID in as far as this transaction is being done on Binance network. Otherwise, if you'd like to send money to somebody else, that person must send you this ID, right? They must send you this ID. If any number comes strange from this one, different from this one, I ask them, are you sure this is your ID? Are you sure you want to lose the money? Because once you send the money to a wrong ID, the money is gone. I don't know to whom, but it's gone. So this is how it's done. Let's say somebody has sent you their ID. Hey man, send me some money. Like, don't worry, send me your Binance ID. Now they go to you. Now they send you the Binance ID. What are you supposed to do? You come right here. When you come right here, simple, just read. You just come straight on send. So we have hit on send. So sometimes on Binance, you can use emails, you can use Binance Pay, whatever. You can use Binance IDs or whatever. It's just, I don't know, but whatever the person is gonna send you. If they'll send you an email, just come straight, put it right here. If they send you a phone number, just come here, put it right here. If they send you a Binance ID, come on Binance ID, put it right there. If they send you an Binance Pay, come right here and put it right there. As simple as that. So when you do that, let's say for example, I would like to send money to one of my people in my. Alright, so we are sending $1 to Kalimajidi. How are you gonna do next? Next, just like confirm, and once we hit confirm, we're gonna be taken to a platform where we need to do a two-factor authentication or two-factor verification. So what we're gonna do is, depending on the factor authentication that you chose, you can actually go to a authenticator app and then you put the codes that are gonna show up on that side, or you're gonna go on check your email and get the code that has been sent to your email. Once you have filled these two spaces, you just hit the confirm. The money is gone. Simple, right? Easy, right? Yeah, so if it's easy, now you know my ID. Now you know my Binance ID. Try it with my Binance ID. Send me some coins. Let's see if it's working. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's meet in the next video.